Have you ever had someone spam your comments or send weird messages? Here's how to block them fast and make them vanish from your TikTok world instantly. So first, go to your app and go to the person's profile. Tap the share button at the top, then you want to tap block at the bottom. Then tap block again to confirm. And that's how you can basically block someone. And here's how to block multiple people. So in the app itself, go to one of your posts, tap the comments button, press and hold the comment, then select manage multiple comments or tap the filters button at the top. Then you want to select the comments from the accounts you want to block. Simply just tap more at the bottom. Then simply tap block accounts, then tap block to confirm. And after you block someone on TikTok, you can find them on your block list on your settings. And if you're a parent or a guardian, you can view all your teen's block accounts on their TikTok profile through family pairing. And to do so, just unblock someone if you want to unblock them by doing the step the same way, but this time to unblock button. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.